Tres.
Hi, I'm Oscar, and we are today at Professor Diego and Oscar. We're going to solve a derivative. You know, one of the easy ones when we have trigonometric functions and third roots of something. So we have two ways to go: quotient, or the boring way, which is doing all the chain rule. We're going to start by dividing the terms by their factor. Dividing, it's just transforming this function into its equals, which is going to be easier for us to work, which is going to be 2 plus 3 sine of x, all of that to the power of 1/3, because if you remember right, this 3 moves to the outside on the bottom part of the fraction. Then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom, which is going to be 2 minus 3 sine of x, all of that, divided by, and multiply it by 1/3, well, to the power of 1/3. I mean, see, then we're going to do the quotient rule. If you remember that one, it's a rule that says u prime ub minus ub prime u divided by v squared. Obviously, this means that this value, the first one is u, and the second one is ub. So we have to get both of the derivatives. We're going to start by the first one, which is going to be u, which if we look at it, we know that 1/3 is going to get down multiplying 1/3. That multiplies the original function, which is 2, plus 3 sine of x. Then we're going to subtract one whole number to that thing, which is going to be minus 2 divided by 3, and that is going to be multiplied by the original function, but not the original. I want to mean the derivative of the original, which is going to be the derivative of 2 is going to be 0, and the derivative of 3 sine of x is going to be 3 cosine of x. Then we're going to multiply this term by this term. We can see we have 3 and 3. We can cancel them out, and we're going to end up with u prime being cosine of x. That multiplies 2 plus 3 sine of x to the power of negative 2 divided by 3. And we're going to work the other one off camera, and then Diego is going to show you how to follow the quotient rule. Thank you very much.
Well, now that we got the u prime, we're going to get the v prime, which, like the derivative of this negative sign, we're going to apply the same. It's cos times 2 minus 3 sine x minus 2 thirds. Now this time is going to be negative because the sign is negative, and the derivative of a negative sign is a negative cosine. Now we're going to expand all these into the quotient rule. What we're going to do is cos 2 plus 3 sine minus 2 thirds, 2 minus 3 sine x, 1 half. Now, in the original equation, it's going to be a negative sign, but because the v prime has already a negative cosine, we're going to change it right into positive. So it's going to be also a cos x times 2 minus 3 sine x minus 3 plus 3 sine x 1/3, and now we're going to apply the v squared. So it's going to be a whole fraction, and now we're going to apply this value of v to plus minus 3 sine x 1/3, all this by the square. But now if we consider that it's just multiplying this, we are going to have 2/3 instead of 1. And now, because we have a very huge fraction, what we're going to do is we're going to factorize. In which way? In this one. We're going to get the common factors, which are 2 minus 3 sine x. We're going to grab the minus 2/3 from all this, and the 2 minus 3 sine x also the minus 2/3. This because they are the lower exponent. And now we're going to get what it's left. 3 sine x plus 2 minus sine x, and well, we got the denominator, but we're not going to add it until the end. So now everything this is just cancelled because these are added into 4, and these, because they're opposite, they just sorry, I got 3. They're opposite, they just cancel. So we're going to get a 4, we're going to get a 4 from this, and we're going to multiply by the cosine here. So we're going to get 4 cos times 2, 3 sine x minus 2 thirds, 2 minus 3 sine x minus 2 thirds, and well, we already have here the 2 minus 3 sine x 2 thirds. And what we're going to do is, because these ones are negative, we are going to pass this one into the denominator, and this one we're going to subtract it by this. So the final answer is just going to be 4 cos, and now because they are in fraction, we're going to add it like a cubic root. So we're going to have 4 cos cubic root of 2 plus sine to the 2, and the cubic root of another one, which is 2 minus 3 is 3 sine of 4, because, well, this one we subtracted from this one. And that's the final answer.